Right behind me, I have the all new Pause Restart toy hauler. And I did a live video at the show, but I wanted to maybe do another video, go into a little bit more detail on this trailer, telling you guys and showing you guys a little bit more. So let's jump in. First off, what I want to do is I want to show you guys the trailer closed up so you guys can see this. This right here, there's a bed that's going to fold out. Right here is our deck slash ramp. And here's the other side of the trailer. One thing that they've done on this, check out this handle. So we are all so used to being able to just use this little guy, but it is so nice just to have this enormous handle for opening the door. I am absolutely sold on that handle. I'll get the stairs down, I'll jump inside, I'll show you what it's like all folded up, and then I'll go ahead and get it set up. We're gonna go ahead and step on inside. Got my stairs set up. Okay, I've got the lights turned on. So this does have the new 2027 high gloss cabinetry in here, which is really, really nice. Here's our kitchen area, an L-shaped countertop, some storage up here, microwave, fridge, freezer right here, and our bathroom. Okay, good sized bathroom, dry bath, not a wet bath. So that's a big deal for a lot of people. Now, what I'll do next is I'm gonna actually get these things opened up so that you guys can see, you know, what this looks like all opened up. I've got the bed put away, but I wanted you guys to see this. So this is the space that you'll be working with. This is an important part right here. When and if you're doing any measurements, you can't measure all the way to this back gate slash ramp. You got to take into consideration this fencing here, because this is going to be going around what could be our back porch, and so you have to take this into consideration with your measurements. Now, that being said, this wheel well to this cabinet slash heater right there, that's our most narrow portion right there. This wheel well here was rated for things to drive on top of it, but you just have to keep in mind the cabinetry above. Now, this model may have some changes that come down the road, but as it's currently configured, I'm letting you guys know so you can, you know, plan accordingly. I mean, really, obviously, if you have kayaks or something like that, you really just have unlimited room here. So this, with all the measurements that we took, I think from this back gate to this wall right here is around, I want to say like 11 feet. The height is actually limited to our entry right here, not the ceiling, or because of the cabinets. I can't say, you know, what the height is. The most important is this top part right here. And when we measured at the show, that was about 73 inches. So I'm gonna go ahead and open up this back gate so you can see what that looks like. Okay, here we go. Let's see if I can do this with one hand here. Okay, these nice little locking mechanisms here. And let's see if we have enough space. It looks like we do. Okay, so it looks like it's going to default into going into deck mode with these cables here. Now, to put it in a ramp mode, I would just simply remove this, and then that's gonna drop all the way down to the floor. So I'm gonna hop up here, and let's see if we can open this guy up here. So we've got, this is my first time setting it up, so pretty slick. It's got some rollers there at the bottom to help you. Wow, that rolls super, super easy. I mean, that is extremely easy. Okay, and this guy comes out. Got a little guy right here. Oh my gosh. That is incredibly easy. So here we are. We have our back porch, all enclosed. That was extremely easy. That was my first time setting it up, and I'm like mechanically not good. So here's what our space looks like, and then I'm gonna go ahead and open up this tent area. So the first thing I want to point out as I'm jumping in to open up this tent area, it has a protective cover here. And so I like that. That's thoughtful, because if you have dirty, grimy toys in here, this is going to protect your bedding area from getting super dirty, oily, from, you know, dirt bikes, four-wheelers, a small side-by-side. So I love that. I was trying to open it up and I realized I've got to unlock it outside. So here we go. Got that side, got this side done. Now let's see. So I'll go inside and see what it looks like from the inside. I've got it set up. Basically, this bar in the back is always connected, so I just put that up. And then this bar right here was loose. It just snaps into that arch in the back, and then it goes right here to hold everything up. That took me about 25 seconds. This was super easy. Now, maybe what I can do is give you guys an idea of the size of this. So this bed is, you know, very comfortably 6 feet long. I don't think somebody that is 6'6" is going to be laying in this bed, but very comfortably anyone that is 6 foot and under, maybe a little bit longer, can easily fit in this bed, and there's absolutely room for two, no question. So yeah, really good sized bed. Here you have it. That bed can go down. There is a little bit of room. I set that up while we were at the show. It's probably about 6 inches of gap when that's down. So there's enough that you can scoot through here when this bed is down. So that's an important factor. And then this guy right here actually comes up, turns into a table. So if we want to sit down and eat as a family, more prep area, you want to work in here, you've got a nice table that's set up underneath your main queen bed. It does also have a screen right here that we can pull down as a bug net. I think that's our brand new toy hauler from Paws. This is our toy hauler for bikes, four-wheelers, dirt bikes, small side-by-sides, kayaks, canoes, you know, all of that stuff. This can be a great, you know, toy hauler for you guys. Hope you've enjoyed it. Let me know if you have any questions of things that I haven't shown that you'd like to learn more about, and we can post more information, answer in the comments, but we'll have more to come. Thanks for joining us here at ROA, and we hope to see you guys here at our Experience Center.